How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. This is a true 138 VIN. Super nice car, guys. Super straight down the sides. It's done in intense blue. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. I really like the SS hood on these cars. Bumper and grill, everything looks real nice on the car. Nice and straight down the sides. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. All the gaps look good on the car. See, the rear bumper's been replaced. Tail panel trim all looks real good. Nice and slick down the sides. Got a set of 17-inch American Racing wheels. Got your power disc brakes. Now this is a date correct motor. 396 and nice aluminum intake. Poly carbon. It's got a Street Avenger carb. Been updated with aluminum radiator. It's got a set of Hooker ceramic coated headers. Got 3-inch exhaust on the car all the way out the back, stock location. Just a good sounding car, guys. The doors look nice and clean. Interior's all been replaced in the car. It's got your blinker tach, factory gauge package. See, the headliner looks real nice and tight. Sill panels all look real good. Get your front and rear seat belts, factory buckets, factory console in it. Does have a Hurst Competition Plus shifter instead of the factory shifter. Trunk's all real nice. This trunk floor looks real good in the car. Does have Hotchkiss rear control arms and rear sway bar on it. 12-bolt posi. Tell you, it's just a super nice car, and this car's ready to just get in, cruise it, go to your shows, enjoy the car. Just a super nice car. They did do a AM/FM CD stereo. Did a nice job mounting it in the dash there. All the dash trim looks real nice. The jams look good. I tell you, these 138 Chevelles are getting really hard to come by. We'll fire this bad dog up. Looks like he's trying to run me over there. Sounds real good. Got a nice cam to it. It's a super nice car, guys. Sounds real good off the exhaust. by a super nice car, guys. This thing's just ready to get in, cruise it, enjoy it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.